Make money by watching YouTube videos. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? Do you feel like you're not making enough money to live the life you want? Well, what if we told you that there was a way to make money just by watching YouTube videos? That's right, you can turn your love for YouTube into a profitable venture. In this guide, we'll show you the best ways to make money by watching YouTube videos, from using websites like Swagbucks to creating your own channel. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to turn your favorite pastime into a money-making machine. Let's dive right into how to make money watching YouTube videos. First and foremost, it's important to understand that there are a few different ways to make money through this method. One of the most popular ways is by using websites like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars, which pay users to watch videos, take surveys, and complete other simple tasks. So the first step to making money by watching YouTube videos is to find a platform that pays you for your time. One of the most popular options is Swagbucks, which rewards you for watching videos, taking surveys, and completing other online tasks. Another option is Inbox Dollars, which also pays you for watching videos as well as reading emails and playing games. Once you've signed up for a platform, it's time to start watching videos and earning some cash. You can start watching videos and earning money right away. The more videos you watch, the more money you can make. It's that simple. And the best part is, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. No need to get dressed up or even leave the couch. When it comes to watching videos for money, quality is key. It's important to choose high-quality videos that you're genuinely interested in, as this will not only make the experience more enjoyable, but it will also help you retain more information. Additionally, some websites will require you to answer questions about the videos you've watched to prove that you're paying attention. So make sure you're choosing videos that you're interested in and can engage with. Now, you might be wondering how much money you can actually make by watching YouTube videos. Well, the answer to that question really depends on how much time you're willing to invest. Some people are able to earn a few dollars a day, while others make hundreds of dollars a month. It all comes down to how much effort you're willing to put in. But don't worry, watching YouTube videos can actually be pretty fun. You can choose to watch videos on topics that interest you, whether that's beauty tutorials, cooking shows, or funny cat videos. And if you get tired of watching one type of video, you can always switch it up and find something new. Now let's talk a bit more about some of the best practices for making money while watching YouTube videos. First off, it's important to set realistic expectations for yourself. While it's possible to earn some extra cash through this method, it's unlikely that you'll become a millionaire overnight. Instead, think of it as a way to supplement your income and make some extra spending money. Another tip is to stay organized and set goals for yourself. Decide how much time you're willing to spend watching videos each day, and set a goal for how much money you want to make each week or month. This can help you stay motivated and track your progress over time. When it comes to choosing what videos to watch, it's important to focus on quality over quantity. Rather than trying to watch as many videos as possible, choose high-quality videos that you're genuinely interested in. This will make the experience more enjoyable and will also help you retain more information. You can also consider branching out and watching videos in different languages or on new topics. This not only expands your knowledge, but also opens up new earning opportunities. For example, some websites pay users to watch videos in other languages, so if you're fluent in multiple languages, this could be a great way to earn some extra cash. Lastly, it's important to remember that consistency is key. Whether you're using websites like Swagbucks or creating your own YouTube channel, it's important to be consistent in your efforts. Set a schedule for yourself and stick to it, even if you don't see immediate results. With time and effort, you can turn your love for YouTube into a profitable venture. Another way to make money through YouTube is by creating your own channel and monetizing your content. If you're interested in creating your own YouTube channel to make money, there are a few things to keep in mind. First off, it's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a market demand. Whether it's beauty tutorials or video game reviews, choose a topic that you're knowledgeable and excited to talk about. Additionally, it's important to have a consistent upload schedule and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. This method takes a bit more effort, but it can also be more rewarding in the long run. To get started, you'll need to create a YouTube account and start uploading videos on a regular basis. Once you've built up a following, you can start earning money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and product placements. And who knows, You might even become a YouTube sensation and earn millions of dollars like some of the platform's biggest stars. There are several ways to monetize your channel. One of the most popular options is to partner with brands and create sponsored content. You can also earn money through ads, merchandise sales, and even Patreon subscriptions. The key is to have a dedicated audience that trusts your opinions and values your content. With time and effort, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable and rewarding business. Making money by watching YouTube videos is a fun and rewarding way to earn some extra cash. Whether you're using websites like Swagbucks or creating your own channel, there are plenty of opportunities out there for you to explore. By staying consistent, setting goals, and focusing on quality over quantity, you can turn your passion for YouTube into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time job. So there you have it, folks. Making money by watching YouTube videos is a real thing, and it's actually pretty easy and fun. Whether you choose to use websites like Swagbucks or create your own channel, there are plenty of ways to earn some extra cash while indulging in your favorite pastime. So grab some popcorn, settle in on the couch, and start making money today.